Okay, so it's always good to breathe, accept where you are, and then keep moving. Little steps, bite-sized chunks. So here we go, we're clipping. I take that deep breath, and I'm literally going to concentrate on where I put my feet and look ahead. Okay, now I've got fear is right on me. Okay, so I've got fear and courage, and I've got to try and befriend fear. So fear is actually trying to make me find an easier way. So my head's looking at other options and wants to leave this. But what I'm trying to do is overcome that and give myself a bit of a technical focus of just being really strong with my feet. Okay, trusting my ability and making that momentum forwards. And this is what I do with my coaching, whether it's online or on the mountain, is I help people push forwards and take momentum. Okay, so here we've got complete exposure here. Okay, I'm tied on, I've got to keep moving. So just like with skiing, when you're skiing, so for Steve Whiteley, here you are, when you want to ski down on a path, you know, when you're not skiing, try and find some sport or edges that you can actually play around on and get comfortable with. Okay, which is really important. So get used to being on the side, being on the edges, maybe get into a bit of gentle climbing, Via Ferrata, and that is going to help you to overcome your fear when skiing on a narrow path. Here's now. La da 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 da. All right. Okay, stepping on. So here we go. So yes, I am scared, but it's okay. Fear is my friend, and I'm not going to negotiate. I want to overcome, and I want to step into who I want to be. This is really important. Don't ever try and take away fear, because you're not going to do it. You're not going to succeed. Fear's been with us around for millions of years, and it will always be a part of our brain and factor. So the best thing that you can do is actually befriend it. Have fear as your friend as you're walking across here, or skiing a steep couloir, or pushing your fear onto that black run and it's icy, maybe there's lots of people, and you can do this. Keep telling yourself that you can do it, give yourself a technical focus, and before you know it, you've actually come across and you've achieved your goal and overcome your fear. Ah, great. Oh, just got this bit now to do. Check that out for exposure. Pretty nifty. Okay. Ooh. Val d'Isere. Oh, good. I think that's the worst part of it. Over the cracks